Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this your delicious and perfect spaghetti jollof recipe. Very easy to put together, and you will love it. If you are thinking of making a simple lunch recipe for your family, then I will surely recommend this recipe for you. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now let's get started. To begin, I will start by boiling some water, which I'm going to be using to cook the spaghetti. I'll go in with a little bit of cooking oil and also some salt to taste. Next, I will cover it and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, and it should be ready. After extra 5 minutes, we are back. Now let's go in with our spaghetti, and kindly feel free to use any type of spaghetti or pasta of your choice, okay? Alright, so now I'll give everything a very good stir. I'll cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and ready. You know, spaghetti doesn't take a lot of time to cook, so kindly note it. And after extra 5 minutes, this is what we have. It has really cooked beautifully, and that's what I'm looking for. I'll also go in with a little bit of water to also stop the cooking process as well, okay? So now let's cover it and set it aside for it to do its own thing. Whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and prepare the stew for the spaghetti. So to a different pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Feel free to use any cooking oil of your choice. And whilst the oil is nice and well heated, I also go in with some chopped onions and garlic and ginger as well. Let's give everything a very good stir. And I'm going to leave it to fry for about 2 minutes for the onion, garlic and ginger to release its flavors to the oil as well, okay? So now let's stir and leave it to do its own thing. Alright, so welcome back. At this point, everything is just doing all good and perfect. So I'll go in with some blended fresh tomatoes and pepper. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing all the ingredients in the description box for you to check it out. I'll give everything a very good stir, and I'll also go in with my tomato paste to cook alongside with it. And this brand is what I'm going for: tasty tom, pepper and onion flavor. Use any type of tomato paste of your choice. I'm using 3 packs of this tomato paste, okay? Let's give everything a very good stir. We will cover and allow it to cook on low-medium heat for about 5 minutes, and I will be back to check on it again. Don't forget to check on it frequently to avoid the stew from burning, okay? So now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so at this point, I've been cooking the stew for about 15 to 20 minutes now, and it's time for me to go in with some seasoning powder. I'm using stew seasoning powder and also some salt. And also to enrich the taste of the stew, I also go in with some tuna. It is totally optional, but trust me, you don't have to omit it at all. It is very necessary. Let's give everything a very good stir. I'll cover it on low-medium heat for extra 2 to 3 minutes, and we will be back to check on it again. Now whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and fry some sausages. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now let's fry the sausage on low-medium heat until it turns into a little bit golden brown, or it becomes a little bit crunchy. Alright, so now let's fry until it's nice and ready. Now whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Now the sausage is nice and golden brown, so let's set this aside and we are back to check on the stew. At this point, it is ready. All that is left right now is for me to go in with my vegetable of choice. And for vegetable of choice, I'll be using carrots, green pepper, and onion. Feel free to use any vegetable and protein of your choice. Let's also go in with our sausage and we're going to stir everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. And while that is done, I'll go in with my cooked spaghetti. At this point, if you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Do follow me there and let's vibe beautifully. I have amazing recipes to share with you over there as well. So do follow and let's vibe over there, okay? Now, after stirring everything together very nicely, do you see how delicious this spaghetti jollof looks right now? Tell me why your kids are not going to enjoy this delicious spaghetti jollof. All you have to do right now is to trust the process and your family are really going to enjoy this amazing recipe. Fam, also let me know in the comment section what you think about this delicious spaghetti jollof recipe and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in my next upload. Bye.